Hi there. I'm John Callahan, a senior product manager in Microsoft Intune Customer Experience Engineering. Like many organizations, you may have significant investments in your existing device management solutions, such as Microsoft Configuration Manager. In this video, we'll look at how you can use a feature called co-management to manage your devices with both Configuration Manager and Microsoft Intune at the same time. Co-management is designed to meet you where you are, leveraging your existing investments in Configuration Manager while also helping you realize immediate value from the cloud with Intune. With co-management, you get instant cloud value today and the flexibility to move workloads to Intune when you're ready as part of your journey to cloud-based management. Here's how it works. Windows 11 devices can be hybrid joined or joined directly to Microsoft Entra ID. Those same devices can run the Configuration Manager client and be enrolled into Intune. This concurrent management unlocks cloud capabilities without requiring you to give up your existing investments. Configuration Manager continues to provide existing capabilities for on-premises management, and Intune adds cloud-based capabilities like intra-conditional access and device compliance signals from Intune, remote actions like remote wipe and device reset, visibility into client health from the Intune Admin Center, and it enables access to Intune features like Windows Autopilot. The result is immediate value. You can begin enforcing zero trust controls from the cloud while maintaining your configuration manager environment. And because there are multiple onboarding paths, including a path for existing configuration manager clients and your new cloud join devices, co-management adapts to your environment and meets you where you are in your cloud journey. You can keep configuration manager as long as you need it, while also enabling a path towards cloud-only management. And importantly, you can shift your app and policy workloads to Intune as you are ready, giving you the flexibility to modernize at your own pace. You don't have to switch all the workloads at once. This is where the workload sliders for co-management come in. These let you choose whether Configuration Manager or Intune manages an area of your app and policy workloads. Those workloads include compliance, which define the rules a device must meet to be considered compliant, ensuring that only healthy, trusted devices can access corporate resources with intra-conditional access. Device configuration for settings and configuration profiles for your Windows devices, including those from Settings Catalog. Endpoint protection, which includes Microsoft Defender antivirus, firewall, BitLocker encryption, and other endpoint security features. Client apps, which lets you deploy and manage apps and scripts, including required assignments and available apps in the company portal. And a note here, enabling this workload in Intune doesn't prevent you from continuing to deploy apps from Configuration Manager. There's also Office Click-to-Run apps to manage how Microsoft 365 Click-to-Run apps are installed and updated on your devices. And finally, there's Windows Update, which configures update policies including deferrals, quality updates, and feature updates. And this is also the workload for you to enable Windows Auto Patch. Each slider has three positions: Configuration Manager, Pilot, and Intune. In pilot mode, a collection of devices shift to Intune for that workload so IT can validate, troubleshoot, and build confidence while the rest of your devices stick with Configuration Manager. When ready, you move the workload to Intune. At that point, it manages that area for all co-managed devices. This staged approach helps you realize immediate workload value, workload by workload, while minimizing disruption. You don't have to move everything at once. Start with what makes sense, like maybe compliance or Windows Update, and expand as your organization is ready. In summary, co-management gives you a flexible, incremental path to zero trust and cloud management with Intune. It meets you where you are by keeping your configuration manager investments while letting you realize immediate value from Intune today. Start with a pilot, validate results, and expand at your own pace. Each slider you move towards Intune makes your organization more secure and more aligned with zero trust. And as a closing thought, co-management is a stage on your journey. When the time is right, you can move beyond Configuration Manager entirely and manage your devices fully from the cloud with Intune only. Thank you, and I look forward to hearing about your zero trust journey.